friends, welcome back, and I'm sure you all are doing great as always. Fantastic. So welcome back. Today's topic is all about how long does SEO take? Okay, I'm sure all of you heard me telling so many things about SEO, and this is one biggest question in people's mind. How long really SEO take to get the result? Right. Let me explain to you. Though I would like to give you a very specific answer for this question, the reality is SEO is the never-ending endeavor where there is nothing called you will win SEO and then half your efforts. No, it is not like that. SEO is all about doing consistent efforts. It's an ongoing process and also adjustments to the Google's algorithms and policies. Okay, so based on all these things, you will get the result. How you promote consistently, how you take effort consistently, and what are the actions you are taking based on Google's algorithms, right? So the shortest answer to this question is SEO will take 4 to 12 months time. And if you are doing SEO for a low competition keyword, you may get the result in 4 to 6 months time. I have seen many people, many companies, they have just started SEO in the right way, but within 2 to 3 months time, they just quit. Just telling that, we are not getting return on our investments. We are just spending money. We are not getting the result. My dear friends, SEO, you cannot get the result in 2 to 3 months time. Because if we expect result in 2 to 3 months time and getting into the SEO, I can very clearly tell you that you are in unrealistic expectation, which will not work in case of SEO. If you want to get the result in 2 to 3 months time, never invest in SEO, because SEO is not a strategy like that. If you expect the result in 2 to 3 months time and invest in SEO, I can very well tell you, don't put the money there, put the money somewhere else. SEO is a very, very long-term marketing strategy where if you invest correctly, you will get the best return. And I can tell you, if you invest properly, SEO is the best way of ROI generation, or the best way to get the return on your investment. And let me tell you very clearly, if you want to get the result from SEO, you need to at least give a time period of 6 to 12 months. Okay, the time period is 6 to 12 months. And if you are ready to wait for 6 to 12 months, go for SEO. And SEO is the best strategy in the long run. It will give you the best return on your investment. This is number one strategy, and it's a strategy you never miss in case of digital marketing. If you want result from online, SEO is a must. You need to have patience 6 to 12 months, and you should be ready to invest for 6 to 12 months. And with that time period, with the right strategies, SEO is the number one strategy which will bring you result for your business. So this is the right process. So have in mind, to get the result from SEO, at least you need to invest for 6 to 12 months. Okay, I'm sure you understood. So my dear friends, my next video is all about continuation of this. Okay, so see you all. Have a fantastic weekend. Take charge. Thank you.